Here we have number 5. We're asking to find the area of this triangle. Again, the area of a triangle, it is going to be defined as area equals to 1/2 base times height, right? So the issue here, so let's first look at the base. We're only looking at this because this is the shape itself. So the base is 30. But if we take a look here, we are missing the height, okay? So we need to find a way to get the height, but notice that forms a right triangle. Do you see it? I'm going to put it on the side right here. That forms a right triangle. That height that you actually have is one of the pieces of a right triangle. Therefore, you can set up Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. This is a, which is 12. B can be height. And your c can be equal to your 20 squared. All right, so plug this into the calculator. 12 squared, that is 144, plus h squared is equal to 20 squared, that is 400. Minus 144 to both sides, this cancels. H is equal to 400 minus 144. That gets you 256. Square root 256. That gets you h is equal to 16. All right, you can plug it in. Area is equal to 1/2. The base we know, which is 30. We labeled it. And the height we just figured out, which was 16. All right, plug this into the calculator. See what you get. Area equals to 240 millimeter squared. Okay. All right, so let's look at B here. All right, so area equals to 1/2 base times height. The base here we have as 30. Base equals to 30. And again, we are missing this height right here. But we notice that is a right triangle, right? That we can use to set up Pythagorean theorem, right? So we can say this is A, this is B, and your C equals to 10. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A squared, which is 5 squared. 5 squared plus h squared is equal to 10 squared. 25 plus h squared is equal to 100 minus 25 to both sides, because h squared is equal to 75. Square root, you get h is equal to square root 75. But that does simplify, though, just letting you know, to 5 radical 3. Or if you plug into the calculator, I think it's square root like it's like 8.66. Okay, so plug it in. Area equals to 1/2 base, which is 30. Your height 8.66. Okay, so do that. 1/2 times 30 times that. The area is approximately 129.9. I mean, you could even round that to like 130 if you want, meters squared. All right. Okay, let's look at C here. All right, so let's see. The area is 1/2 base times height. Do we have the base? Yes, we do. It's right here. Base equals to 18. Do we know the height that is perpendicular to that? Yes, we do, which is 21. That's the same here. We have the height, which is 21. Look how easy it is, because we didn't have to do any Pythagorean theorem. We can just plug it in. Okay? Because we have the height, it was 21. It was perpendicular to the base. 1/2 times 18 times 21. That gets me 189 as the area, meters squared.